Cervia, located on the Adriatic coast of Emilia-Romagna, is renowned for its centuries-old salt production, earning it the nickname, the City of Salt. The town's salt pans, or saline, are part of a natural reserve and produce the prized, sweet salt of Cervia, known for its delicate flavor and absence of bitterness. The salt pans also attract migratory birds, such as flamingos, making them a haven for nature enthusiasts. Guided tours and workshops offer insight into this vital aspect of Cervia's history and economy. The Salt Museum, Museo del Sale, in Cervia celebrates the town's rich salt-making heritage. Located in the Magazzini del Sale, historic salt warehouses, the museum showcases tools, photographs, and artifacts related to salt production. Visitors can learn about the traditional methods used by salinari, salt workers, and the importance of salt in Cervia's economy and culture. The museum also hosts educational events and exhibitions, connecting the past with the present in this unique coastal town. Cervia's coastline is home to expansive sandy beaches that are ideal for relaxation and family-friendly activities. The beaches are well equipped with umbrellas, loungers, and restaurants, offering a mix of comfort and natural beauty. The Adriatic Sea's calm, shallow waters make it safe for swimming, while water sports like windsurfing and paddleboarding are popular among visitors. Cervia's beaches, combined with its mild climate, make it a sought-after destination for sunseekers and nature lovers alike. The Cervia pine forest, Pineta di Cervia, is a lush green oasis that stretches along the town's coastline. This protected area is ideal for hiking, cycling, and birdwatching, with trails winding through fragrant pines and native vegetation. The forest is also home to a diverse range of wildlife, including deer, foxes, and numerous bird species. Cervia's pine forest provides a tranquil escape from the bustling beaches and serves as a reminder of the town's commitment to preserving its natural heritage. The town's historic center, known as Cervia Vecchia, offers a glimpse into its medieval past. Its grid-like layout reflects its planned reconstruction in the late 17th century, following the relocation of the town due to flooding. Highlights include Piazza Garibaldi, lined with cafes and shops, and the Cathedral of Santa Maria Assunta, featuring a blend of Baroque and neoclassical styles. Exploring Cervia Vecchia reveals a charming blend of history, culture, and modern-day Italian life. The Terme di Cervia, or Cervia Spa, is a renowned wellness destination that utilizes the therapeutic properties of local salt and mud. The spa offers treatments designed to promote relaxation, improve circulation, and alleviate joint pain. Visitors can enjoy thermal baths, mud therapies, and beauty treatments in a serene setting surrounded by nature. The Terme di Cervia is a testament to the town's holistic approach to health and its ability to harness the healing powers of its natural resources. The annual Salt Festival, Sagra del Sale, celebrates Cervia's salt-making tradition with a weekend of events, markets, and culinary delights. Held in September, the festival includes historical reenactments, music, and a parade of boats symbolizing the ancient salt trade. Local restaurants feature special menus highlighting the sweet salt of Cervia in traditional dishes. The festival brings the community together and provides visitors with an immersive cultural experience that honors the town's maritime and economic history. The Salina di Cervia Nature Reserve is part of the Po Delta Park and spans over 800 hectares. This protected area is a hotspot for biodiversity, attracting birdwatchers and nature lovers. Visitors can explore the salt pans by foot, bike, or boat, observing flamingos, herons, and other migratory species. The reserve also emphasizes environmental education, offering workshops and guided tours that highlight the importance of sustainable salt production and ecosystem preservation in Cervia. Cervia's Canal Harbor, designed by Venetian architects, is a picturesque focal point of the town. Lined with fishing boats, restaurants, and shops, the harbor is a lively area that reflects Cervia's maritime roots. Visitors can stroll along the canal, watch fishermen at work, or enjoy fresh seafood dishes at waterfront eateries. The canal is also the starting point for boat tours, which provide stunning views of the Adriatic coastline and a deeper appreciation of Cervia's relationship with the sea. The town's gastronomic traditions are deeply rooted in Emilia-Romagna's rich culinary heritage. Cervia is famous for its seafood dishes, such as grilled sardines, risotto alla marinara, and brodetto, a flavorful fish stew. The sweet salt of Cervia is used in various recipes, enhancing the natural flavors of the ingredients. Local markets and food festivals provide opportunities to savor these delicacies, while cooking classes allow visitors to learn how to prepare authentic regional dishes themselves. Cervia is closely associated with the Mille Miglia, a prestigious vintage car race that passes through the town annually. This historic race, known as the most beautiful race in the world, attracts classic car enthusiasts and visitors who gather to admire the vehicles and enjoy the festive atmosphere. Cervia's streets come alive with the roar of engines and the excitement of spectators, blending its coastal charm with the thrill of motorsport history. The historic Magazzini del Sale, or salt warehouses, are iconic landmarks that once stored the town's valuable salt. These large brick structures, dating back to the 17th century, now serve as cultural spaces hosting exhibitions, concerts, and events. The warehouses stand as a testament to Cervia's economic reliance on salt and its ability to adapt these historical buildings to modern uses. Visiting the Magazzini del Sale offers a unique blend of history, architecture, and cultural engagement. Cervia's Twin Towns initiative promotes cultural exchange and international collaboration. Partnered with cities such as Jelenia Góra in Poland and Aalen in Germany, Cervia participates in programs that encourage dialogue and shared learning. These partnerships strengthen the town's cultural identity while fostering global connections. Events like student exchanges, artistic collaborations, and shared celebrations reflect Cervia's commitment to building relationships that transcend borders. The Adriatic Golf Club in nearby Milano Marittima is a premier destination for golf enthusiasts visiting Cervia. Surrounded by pine forests and lakes, the 27-hole course offers a blend of challenging play and stunning natural scenery. The club is known for its excellent facilities, including a clubhouse with fine dining and amenities. Its proximity to Cervia makes it a popular choice for visitors seeking a relaxing yet active experience on Italy's Adriatic coast. Cervia's thriving artisan community reflects its dedication to preserving traditional crafts. Local artisans create handmade products, such as ceramics, textiles, and jewelry, often inspired by the sea and the town's history. Visitors can explore workshops and galleries in Cervia Vecchia or participate in crafting classes to learn these skills firsthand. The emphasis on craftsmanship supports the local economy and adds a personal touch to the town's cultural and shopping experiences. The nearby town of Milano Marittima, a district of Cervia, is known for its upscale resorts, vibrant nightlife, and boutique shopping. Established in the early 20th century as an elite holiday destination, it attracts visitors seeking luxury and entertainment. Milano Marittima's tree-lined avenues and modern architecture contrast with Cervia's historic charm, offering a complimentary experience for travelers. Its lively beach clubs and stylish atmosphere make it a favorite among younger visitors and families alike. Cervia's annual Christmas markets transform the town into a festive wonderland during the holiday season. The streets are adorned with lights and decorations, and wooden stalls offer handmade gifts, local delicacies, and holiday treats. Events such as ice skating and concerts add to the festive atmosphere, creating a magical experience for both residents and tourists. The Christmas markets highlight Cervia's community spirit and provide a cozy winter escape on the Adriatic coast. The town's strong emphasis on sustainability is evident in its green initiatives, such as renewable energy projects, recycling programs, and ecotourism development. Cervia's local government works closely with environmental organizations to protect its natural resources, including the salt pans and pine forests. Sustainable tourism practices are encouraged, ensuring that visitors can enjoy the town's beauty while minimizing their ecological impact. These efforts position Cervia as a forward-thinking and eco-conscious destination. The historic watchtower, Torre San Michele, stands as a symbol of Cervia's past as a fortified town. Built in the 17th century to protect against pirate attacks, the tower now serves as a cultural landmark and a reminder of Cervia's strategic importance. It is often used for exhibitions and events, and its location near the salt warehouses highlights its role in guarding Cervia's valuable resources. Torre San Michele is a key feature of the town's historic landscape. The Romagna Riviera, of which Cervia is a part, is one of Italy's most popular coastal destinations. Stretching along the Adriatic Sea, the Riviera offers a mix of natural beauty, cultural attractions, and vibrant nightlife. Cervia stands out for its family-friendly atmosphere and focus on tradition, making it an appealing choice for travelers of all ages. The town's position within the Riviera provides easy access to neighboring attractions while maintaining its unique charm. Cervia's commitment to accessibility ensures that visitors with mobility challenges can enjoy the town's attractions. Many of the beaches, parks, and cultural sites are equipped with ramps and pathways designed for wheelchairs. Local businesses also participate in initiatives to create a welcoming environment for all. This inclusive approach reflects Cervia's dedication to hospitality and its efforts to make its natural and cultural treasures available to everyone.